Hello, my magical friends! Today we're going on an exciting journey into the distant past. We will explore land dinosaurs, marine reptiles, ancient fish, and mysterious mollusks, learn their names, and discover interesting facts about each of them. Let's begin! Let's create a huge prehistoric island in the middle of the ocean, full of lush forests, tall mountains, and mysterious creatures from ancient times. I'm using red and green sand to shape the island, giving it a colorful and unique prehistoric look. Let's make the shore of the island from small pink stones, adding a bright and beautiful touch to the prehistoric scene. Let's also add a big volcano and volcanic plates to make the island look wild and full of ancient power. And we'll decorate the island with palm trees, ferns, and other plants to make it lush and full of prehistoric life. Next to the big island, there will be two smaller islands, creating a beautiful prehistoric archipelago. And we'll make the ocean water from blue slime, giving it a shiny, magical prehistoric look. And we'll decorate the ocean with colorful corals, creating a lively home for prehistoric marine creatures. And our beautiful, fantastic prehistoric island is ready! Now we can invite dinosaurs and other ancient animals to explore it. Shastosaurus. The Shastosaurus was a giant marine reptile, not a dinosaur, that swam in ancient oceans. This gentle predator hunted squid and fish, using its long, toothless snout to suck in prey. It could reach lengths longer than a school bus. Megalodon. The megalodon was a massive prehistoric shark, one of the largest predators in history. It hunted whales, seals, and large fish in warm seas. Its huge jaws could crush bone with a single bite, making it a true ruler of ancient oceans. Ammonite. The ammonite was a marine mollusk with a spiral shell, related to squids and octopuses. It lived in ancient seas, drifting and hunting small fish and plankton. Its shell patterns make it one of the most beautiful fossils found today. Ancient sea turtle. The ancient sea turtle was a large marine reptile that swam in warm prehistoric oceans millions of years ago. It fed on jellyfish, sea plants, and small fish. With strong flippers, it could travel vast distances across open seas in search of food and nesting grounds. Plesiosaur. The plesiosaur was a marine reptile with a long neck and paddle-like flippers that lived in prehistoric seas. It hunted fish and squid, using quick movements to snatch prey. Its graceful swimming made it one of the most skilled hunters of its time. Dunkleosteus. The Dunkleosteus was a massive armored fish that lived over 350 million years ago. It had powerful jaw plates instead of teeth, able to crush hard shells. This top predator roamed ancient seas, hunting fish and other armored creatures. Metriorhynchus. The Metriorhynchus was a marine crocodile that lived in Jurassic seas. Unlike modern crocodiles, it had flippers and a tail fin for fast swimming. It hunted fish and squid, ruling the warm coastal waters with sharp teeth and strong jaws. Trilobite. The trilobite was an ancient marine arthropod that thrived for hundreds of millions of years in prehistoric oceans. It crawled along the sea floor, feeding on small particles and tiny organisms. Its segmented body and hard shell gave it strong protection from predators. Mosasaurus. The Mosasaurus was a giant marine reptile that lived in the late Cretaceous seas. It had a long, powerful body and paddle-like limbs, perfect for chasing prey. This apex predator hunted fish, turtles, and even other marine reptiles in warm oceans. Tyrannosaurus rex. The Tyrannosaurus rex was one of the largest land predators to ever live. With massive jaws and teeth like knives, it hunted large herbivores and may have scavenged too. Living in forests and plains, it ruled the late Cretaceous landscape. Spinosaurus. The Spinosaurus was a massive predator with a long crocodile-like snout and a tall sail on its back. It lived near rivers and swamps, hunting fish and sometimes land animals. Its strong tail made it an excellent swimmer in prehistoric waters. Velociraptor. The Velociraptor was a small but fast predator with sharp claws and keen intelligence. It hunted in packs, chasing prey across deserts and plains. Its speed and teamwork made it one of the most effective hunters of the late Cretaceous period. Archaeopteryx. The Archaeopteryx was a small prehistoric creature with wings and teeth, living in late Jurassic forests. It could glide between trees to catch insects and small reptiles. Considered a link between dinosaurs and birds, it played a key role in evolution. Indoraptor. The Indoraptor was a fictional hybrid dinosaur created in a lab, combining traits of the Velociraptor and Tyrannosaurus rex. It was intelligent, fast, and extremely dangerous, able to hunt with precision both in daylight and under the cover of night. Brachiosaurus. The Brachiosaurus was a giant herbivorous dinosaur with a long neck and tall front legs, allowing it to reach the highest tree leaves. Living in Jurassic forests, it spent its days grazing on plants, using its size to stay safe from predators. Dilophosaurus. The Dilophosaurus was a fast predator with two crests on its head, living in the early Jurassic. It hunted small dinosaurs and other animals, using speed and agility. Its distinctive crests may have been used for display to attract mates or warn rivals. Triceratops. The Triceratops was a large herbivorous dinosaur with 3 horns and a big frill protecting its neck. Living in the late Cretaceous, it grazed on low plants. Its horns were used for defense against predators and possibly in fights with other Triceratops. Allosaurus. The Allosaurus was a fierce carnivorous dinosaur that lived in the late Jurassic. With sharp teeth and strong legs, it hunted large herbivores in packs. Agile and powerful, it was one of the top predators of its time, ruling prehistoric plains and forests. Albertosaurus. The Albertosaurus was a fast and powerful carnivorous dinosaur that lived in the late Cretaceous. Smaller than the Tyrannosaurus rex, it hunted in packs, chasing herbivores across plains. Its sharp teeth and speed made it a dangerous predator. Gastonia. The Gastonia was a heavily armored herbivorous dinosaur with sharp spikes along its sides. Living in the early Cretaceous, it fed on low plants. Its armor and tail spikes made it a difficult target for predators, providing strong defense against attacks. Pteranodon. The Pteranodon was a large flying reptile with a wingspan wider than a car. Living near prehistoric seas, it soared over the waves to catch fish with its long beak. Despite its size, it was lightweight, built for graceful flight over long distances. Therizinosaurus. The Therizinosaurus was a tall, feathered herbivore with enormous claws over half a meter long. Living in the late Cretaceous, it used these claws to pull down branches and defend itself. Its long neck let it feed on leaves high above the ground. Stegosaurus. The Stegosaurus was a large herbivorous dinosaur with bony plates along its back and spikes on its tail. Living in the late Jurassic, it grazed on low plants. Its tail spikes, called a thagomizer, were a strong weapon against predators. Diplodocus. The Diplodocus was a giant herbivorous dinosaur with an extremely long neck and tail. Living in the late Jurassic, it fed on high and low plants alike. Its whip-like tail could be used for defense, creating a loud crack to scare predators away. Ankylosaurus. The Ankylosaurus was a heavily armored herbivorous dinosaur with bony plates and a massive club on its tail. Living in the late Cretaceous, it grazed on low plants. Its tail club was strong enough to break the bones of attacking predators. Rebecusaurus. The Rebecusaurus was a long-necked herbivorous dinosaur that lived in the mid-Cretaceous. It grazed on high and low plants in what is now Africa. Its lightweight build and tall neck helped it reach leaves other dinosaurs could not. What a magical journey we had today! We met land dinosaurs, marine reptiles, ancient fish, and mysterious mollusks, learning their names and amazing facts. You were such curious and attentive explorers! Our prehistoric island came to life, now home to many ancient creatures. Subscribe so you don't miss our next adventures!